The DJI Osmo Action 6 is not just another action camera stepping into the market. It is a statement and announcement that the future of compact filmmaking is here, and it is faster, smoother, sharper, smarter, and far more capable than anything most creators have ever held in their hands before. Because the moment you power it on, you can instantly feel that this device has been engineered for people who don't slow down, people who live in motion, people who want a camera that reacts instantly, captures flawlessly, and performs reliably in every environment imaginable. From the blazing sun of desert roads to the freezing cold of mountain peaks, from underwater adventures to hectic city chaos, from fast-paced sports to peaceful cinematic travel shots, the Osmo Action 6 is built for creators who want their stories to feel real, stories filled with color, detail, clarity, movement, and emotion. And DJI has taken everything they learned from past generations and pushed it to an unbelievable level, giving creators in the USA and all around the world a tool that feels powerful enough to replace multiple cameras while still fitting easily into a pocket. What truly sets this camera apart is its upgraded imaging system, with a refined sensor that pulls in more light, handles shadows effortlessly, and produces footage so clean and sharp that it instantly stands out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok even before you add any color grading or editing. Every shot feels alive, dynamic, and full of depth, with rich colors that make skies bluer, forests greener, and skin tones more natural, while preserving detail in bright and dark areas where most action cameras fail miserably. The stabilization system is where things get jaw-dropping rock steady, and horizontal steady have been improved to an almost unbelievable degree, smoothing out running, jumping, biking, hiking, flying, swimming, and every chaotic movement you can imagine, turning shaky real-life moments into silky, cinematic footage that feels professional and polished as if captured using expensive rigs and gimbals. Even when you rotate or twist the camera intensely, horizontal steady keeps the horizon perfectly level, giving your video a clean, stable, satisfying look that viewers can't turn away from because the brain loves perfectly balanced visuals. The audio system is smarter than ever, capturing clean, crisp, warm sound even in windy environments where most action cameras produce trash audio. You can record commentary, vlogs, behind-the-scenes thoughts, travel diaries, sports narration, and ambient audio with confidence, knowing that the Osmo Action 6 automatically filters out harsh wind noise and focuses on what really matters: your voice and the natural sound of your environment. Durability has been taken to a new level as well, with waterproofing that lets you dive deep underwater without a case, a reinforced design that survives drops, bumps, dust, and extreme conditions, and heat management technology that prevents overheating so you can record long clips without worrying about the camera shutting down, which is a huge advantage for travel vloggers, outdoor athletes, bikers, skaters, and creators who need long continuous takes. The dual touchscreens are brighter, sharper, and far more responsive, letting you view yourself clearly even under harsh sunlight, making framing easy for faceless content, vlogs, product shots, and cinematic sequences. Switching settings feels natural, intuitive, and fast, almost like using a modern smartphone rather than an action camera, which is something every creator appreciates. And then there's the magnetic quick mount system, an absolute game changer that lets you attach, detach, rotate, and re-angle the camera in seconds without struggling with screws or clamps, allowing you to capture more creative angles with less effort. Mounted on your helmet, chest, handlebar, car roof, backpack strap, tripod, or handheld stick instantly, making your filming workflow smoother and more fun. Slow motion on the Osmo Action 6 looks stunning thanks to ultra-high frame rates that freeze fast action into beautiful cinematic details. Whether it's water splashes, snow sprays, dust clouds, sports tricks, jumps, dives, waves, fireworks, or any moment that deserves dramatic emphasis, this kind of slow-motion capability transforms ordinary actions into visual masterpieces that hold viewers' attention longer and improve retention on YouTube. The battery has been upgraded to with longer recording times, more stable power output, and better performance in cold environments where other action cameras lose battery quickly. Fast charging means you can top up the battery in a short break and keep shooting without interruption. For creators who publish regularly, the Osmo Action 6 becomes a reliable partner, always ready to capture everything from morning routines to travel journeys, from gym workouts to city adventures, from nature hikes to family memories, from product reviews to pop shots without needing complicated setups or heavy equipment. USA creators especially appreciate how this camera adapts to every lifestyle. Whether you're a traveler exploring national parks, a cyclist riding coastal roads, a filmmaker shooting short cinematic sequences, a content creator documenting daily life, a student making creative projects, or an outdoor enthusiast capturing your adventures. The Osmo Action 6 gives you footage that simply looks premium. The thoughtful design becomes more impressive the more you use it. The clicky buttons that respond instantly. The accurate voice control that lets you record hands-free when your hands are busy. The intelligent exposure that balances bright skies and dark shadows beautifully. The reliable autofocus that stays sharp on faces and objects even during fast movement. And the clarity that makes your footage look like a step above everyone else's content. What makes the DJI Osmo Action 6 feel so unique is the freedom it gives you, the freedom to move, to explore, to create, to experiment, and to tell stories authentically without worrying about whether your camera can handle the moment. It is a camera that adapts to you, grows with you, and inspires you to film more because every shot looks good, every angle feels possible, and every moment captured becomes something worth sharing. It turns everyday life into visually stunning memories, makes adventures feel bigger, and gives creators the confidence to film anywhere, anytime. With the Osmo Action 6, you don't just record life, you elevate it, enhance it, and transform it into cinematic storytelling that captivates viewers, increases watch time, boosts engagement, and makes your videos stand out across every platform. And once you experience what this compact powerhouse can do, its sharpness, its stability, its smoothness, its rich colors, its rugged design, its powerful audio, and its ease of use, you realize that this isn't just a tool, it's an upgrade to your entire creative life. A camera that encourages you to capture more, create more, and share more with confidence, knowing that every frame will look incredible, and every moment will be preserved with stunning clarity. In the end, the DJI Osmo Action 6 stands as more than just an action camera. It becomes a creative partner that grows with you, adapts to your lifestyle, and empowers you to capture moments with a clarity and confidence you didn't even realize you were missing. And whether you're racing down mountain trails, exploring new cities, documenting family adventures, filming your fitness journey, creating daily vlogs, or simply capturing the beauty of everyday life, this camera delivers results that feel premium, polished, and professional every single time. Its unmatched stabilization, rich color science, rugged durability, fast responsiveness, smart audio, and effortless usability come together to create a device that doesn't just record the world around you, it elevates it, turning even simple seconds into cinematic memories. And that is why the Osmo Action 6 isn't just a tool for creators. It's a gateway to telling better stories, sharing bigger moments, and creating videos that truly stand out, making it one of the most exciting and reliable